are gonna make shrimp tacos. So I'm getting my ingredients to make shrimp taquitos. And these are the cebollitas that we usually eat because look at that, yummy. Believe it or not, it's still hard for me to go down these aisles.
Enough for probably a coolest.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make shrimp tacos. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so before we make the shrimp tacos, we are gonna make some salsa to go with it. So the ingredients that you're gonna need are some tomatoes, green tomatillos, jalapeno, cilantro, garlic, and chile California. I thought I had chile de árbol, but I don't, but it's okay, we're gonna make it work anyway. So what you're gonna do first is enjuagar and take off the top to at least, let's do 4 chile California. I don't recommend throwing it all in like that. I recommend cleaning it out and taking all the semillas out before putting it in a pan with some oil. So let's get started and I'll touch base with you guys. So I'm gonna enjuagar these, take off the top, enjuagarlo, take all the seeds out, put 2 garlic cloves in the pan with the oil, cut 1 or 2 tomatoes, I'm not sure yet, and peel and rinse all of your vegetables, cilantro and tomatillos and the jalapeno. But the only thing that's gonna go in the pan is the chile, the tomatillos, the regular Roma tomatoes, and the garlic. So let's get started. So as you can see, I added my tomate already. Let me get a spoon. I added my tomate, my ajo, and I'm just gonna let it fry a little bit. I just added some regular vegetable oil. Don't forget, if you guys like any of the little cool gadgets or accessories that you see in my video, I will be attaching the link in the description below. It's basically my Amazon storefront, and you can get your very own oil Latin topper. But continuing on, I have the heat on low, and I'm just gonna let these fry, making sure they're flat down so they can get that color. And in the meantime, I'm going to rinse my tomatillo and I'm gonna add that. So here are the tomatillos that I have. Make sure that you guys enjuagarlos after you're done peeling them. P.S. They will be a little bit sticky, but that is normal. I'm gonna put them face down. That way they can get that little bit, that burnt color. And then I'm gonna flip them over. So try not to move them so that they can actually quemar un poquito. You'll see, I'll show you guys. But that's gonna give the salsa a really good flavor. So I'm gonna leave this on like low, and I'll add the chiles in a little bit. All right, so I have my 4 chile California. I'm just gonna lay them in here. You might want to open your windows because you're about to smoke the whole house out with these chiles. Okay, so I'm going to turn my chiles over. It's okay that they're that black. That's actually what you want them to be like. Let them cook a little bit on the other side. Turn your garlic over. To your tomates. And then let's check on these. still not the consistency that you want, so we're gonna put them back down. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna take off and put in my licuadora over here is gonna be my chiles. And my tomate. I'll leave the garlic on there and the tomatillo so they can get a little bit more color. See? Alright, you guys, so I took everything off of the pan. I'm gonna add some water here, just a little bit, that much. I'm about to enjuagar the cilantro and I'm gonna add it to here. So I added literally a whole bunch of cilantro. I love the taste of cilantro and I wanna make a green salsa. Instead of adding salt, I'm gonna add some consomme. I'm just gonna add a little bit. And I'll add more if I need to. You guys, so we're gonna do a taste test. I did forget to tell you guys, I did add a quarter of a jalapeno because I really have been craving something super, super spicy. So, a ver si le gusta. A ver, babe. Careful.
I'm waiting for it to creep up. You might want to add a little bit more, whatever.
Jalapeno or sal? Alright, so the salsa is done. I put it in the fridge so it can get cool and all the flavors can combine. Right now we're gonna be making the cabbage salad that's gonna go with the shrimp tacos. So it's basically a cup and a half of green cabbage, a cup and a half of red cabbage, 1 tablespoon of jalapeno, and then we're gonna make the sauce that's gonna get mixed in there, but I'll show you guys. So first the salad. Okay, so I literally cut up the cabbage into thin slices or thin pieces, and I finally chopped the jalapeno. Now I'm gonna make the sauce that's gonna go, or the crema that's gonna go. Okay, so I combined all the ingredients, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna mix it in here so it can be all wet. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to season the shrimp, and you can either do it on the barbecue if you want with skewers, or you can just throw it on the pan. But it's so late, we're just gonna throw them on the pan real quick. And just to update you guys, I put some cebollitas right here, and I'm making some frijoles. So I'm sorry this video's all over the place. To be really honest, I'm not really feeling all that well, but I promised you guys a cooking video today, so here it is. To the peeled and deveined shrimp, I added 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 whole lemon. So I have my cabbage salad ready, I have my crema on the side, I have my cebollitas cooking, I have my frijoles all ready to go. We had some arroz yesterday, so we're gonna just reheat that up. I'm about to heat this up and start making the shrimp, and then we're gonna start assembling these stuff. Everything's pretty much done, and the shrimp is last. This will literally cook real quick. So just to remind you guys, I am on keto, but there are special egg tortillas that I can have. But this is for base. I put a flour tortilla. I laid some of the cabbage down. I'm waiting for the shrimp to finish. It's almost done. There's still some pieces that are not ready yet. And then I'm gonna throw some of the sauce on top, and he's gonna do a taste test. There you have it, you guys. I'm gonna bring out the salsa I made a little bit earlier. You can add more crema if you want. He has his beans, and he actually decided that he doesn't want rice after all. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna do a taste test. It's good? Alright. right, you guys, from our kitchen to yours. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. To show you guys, I have egg thins with cauliflower, and that's what I'm using to make my little imitation tortilla. You can also add aguacate to this, but there you guys go. Thank you.